Ever felt lonely, stressed, or just needed someone to talk to? What if I told you that your next best friend, therapist, or life coach could be an AI? Sounds futuristic, right?
But AI-powered companions are already here, and they are transforming the way we experience emotional support. Let's dive deep into how they work, their real-world applications, and what the future holds.
Yes, AI companions are no longer science fiction. They are real, accessible, and already helping millions of people worldwide. But how do they work? And can they truly replace human emotional support? Let's find out.
AI-powered companions are digital or robotic entities designed to engage in meaningful conversations, provide emotional support, and even help improve mental well-being. They use natural language processing, machine learning, and sentiment analysis to understand human emotions and respond accordingly.
Imagine Siri or Alexa, but instead of setting alarms, they help you process emotions, track your mood, and offer coping strategies. Some AI companions even remember past conversations to provide personalized advice.
So, how exactly do AI companions help? Here are 3 key ways: active listening and non-judgmental conversations. Unlike humans, AI doesn't judge. It listens 24/7, allowing users to express their feelings without fear of embarrassment. This is crucial for people with anxiety or depression.
Cognitive behavioral therapy techniques. AI chatbots like Woebot use clinically validated CBT techniques to help users manage stress, reframe negative thoughts, and build healthier habits.
Building healthy routines. Some AI companions track users' mental health patterns, offering reminders for self-care, meditation, and positive reinforcement.
And it's not just theory. Research shows that AI chatbots can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression in users by up to 30% in just a few weeks. That's impressive, isn't it?
AI companions are making a real impact in various sectors. Elderly care AI robots like ElliQ and Woebot provide companionship to older adults, reminding them to take medications, engaging them in conversations, and even playing games. Mental health support. Startups like Wiser and Woebot have created AI-powered therapy bots that help people cope with stress, grief, and social anxiety. Autism and special needs. AI-powered robots like Qtrobot assist children with autism by teaching them social skills and emotional recognition in a friendly, interactive way. Relationship coaching. Replika is one of the most popular AI chatbots that simulate human-like companionship, helping users navigate loneliness and relationship challenges.
And this is just the beginning. AI companions are evolving every day, making emotional support more accessible to people around the world. There have already been cases where users form deep emotional attachments to AI companions. This raises big ethical questions. How far should AI go in simulating human relationships? Of course, AI-powered companionship isn't without challenges. Over-reliance on AI. Can AI ever truly replace human relationships? Relying too much on AI for emotional support might lead to social isolation instead of real-world connections. Data privacy and security. AI companions store personal conversations, raising concerns about data security. Who owns this data and how is it used? Ethical boundaries. Should AI be allowed to give serious mental health advice? How do we ensure AI doesn't provide harmful suggestions?
The future of AI-powered companionship is exciting. We're moving towards AI that can recognize facial expressions for more personalized emotional support, integrate with wearable technology to track mental well-being, provide multilingual and culturally aware emotional assistance, and use advanced deep learning models to simulate human-like empathy.
AI will never replace human relationships, but it can fill critical gaps in emotional support, especially for those who struggle to find help. As AI continues to evolve, one question remains. How do we strike the right balance between AI assistance and human connection?
So, what do you think? Would you talk to an AI companion for emotional support? Let us know in the comments.
And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech deep dives.
Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay connected.